We have 4 divided by 2 minus 6 divided by 3 times 8 divided by 4. So now reduce each fraction. 4 divided by 2 equals 2 minus 6 divided by 3 equals 2 times 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So the expression becomes 2 minus 2 times 2. So now 2 minus 2 equals 0 times 2, and 0 times 2 equals 0. But this is incorrect. Why? Because multiplication comes before subtraction. So first multiply, right? So 2 minus 2 times 2 equals 4. Now we have 2 minus 4 equals minus 2.